Welcome to pchow.com's video tutorial on how to set up a simple file share in Windows 7. To begin, we need to create the user account that we want to associate to the folder. Click on the Start menu, right-click on Computer, select Manage, left-click on Local Users and Groups, and then double-click on the Users folder. Right-click, select New User, and my friend Peter over here wants access to this folder, so I'm going to create a user for him. Enter his password and make a couple small changes over here. Click Close, and we can close out of here. Next, let's go ahead and create the folder that we want to share. Right click on the desktop, select New, and select Folder. Let's give it a name. Let's call it File Share. Right click on the folder and select Properties. Click on the Sharing tab, then the Share button. Click on the drop down menu and select the user that you created. In my case it's Peter. Click Add. I want to give him read and write access. Click the Share button and done. Next, click the Advanced Sharing button. Click the checkbox next to Share this folder, and then the Permissions button. From here, we're going to click on Add, Advanced, and click the Find Now button. If we scroll down in the list, we're going to look for the user that you just created. Select them, click OK, OK, click OK again, and again. You might want to write down this path right here, as we're going to need to enter it exactly like this on the second computer that we wish to connect to this folder. Click the Close button, and just so we can show that the share is working on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and create a quick text file in here so we know that it worked. If I could spell it right. And we're going to pause briefly to get set up on the other computer and set up the file share from that side.
We're now on my computer where I am going to add the file share newly created as a desktop shortcut. So you can right click anywhere in the desktop and this menu will pop up if it's an open space, and you can go to New and a subfolder will open and we will select Shortcut. Now we were asked to type the location of the item in the field, and what we will type here is the name of the file share, which is davepc / file share. And it can sometimes take a while for the username and password prompt to come up, but it will come up if you give it some time. Alright, once your username and password field comes up, type in your username and password for the computer that you are connecting to. And we're going to check Remember My Credentials so we don't have to type it in every time that we want to access the file share. And we will click Next, and it will automatically go to Finish. And when we click on it here, we will open it up. And we will see the text file here located. And we can go ahead and open it up and close it out. And you can see the new folder has just been created in there, and we can see it. And in conclusion, this has been a video tutorial by pchow.com on how to create and share and add a file share folder.